Hello, this is Telmir and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we're working on this Z Flip 5. That's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now this Z Flip 5 has one very clear issue. The back cover is cracked. So this is going to be a really quick video, but I'm just going to be showing you how to get into it and what you're doing to replace it. So to get this back cover off is pretty straightforward. I just got to apply some heat, get it up to temperature, and then should be able to just get a razor blade underneath, and then we can start cutting through the adhesive underneath. Now, because this is broken, I'm not at all concerned of trying to preserve anything, but the screen on this is a bit on the sensitive side, so I'm going to be a little bit more careful about the temperature that I am applying to the phone. So I have heard rumors that the side of these phones are a little bit easier to get into than the bottom. So I'm going to start in from the side, and let's just apply a little bit of alcohol. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Let's bring it back a little bit. Okay, so I got it underneath. Just going to use one of my cards. Let's start working at this. Now, because you got a whole bunch of these little notches all the way along, I'm going to put on, I'm seeing glass already peeling up here. I'm putting some safety glasses on. Is definitely putting some safety glasses on. I think I'm going to time lapse this. This is going to be fiddly. So you'll notice that I'm going in on this with my my pick instead of using my usual method, which is to use the card. And the simple reason why is because this glass is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, and I'm able to cut through it a lot faster than normal, which is really nice. I did spike myself. That hurt. On a very sharp piece of glass that was pretty much needle sharp. So careful. It looks good though. It came through pretty clean. Any of the equipment or tools that I am using in this video, I've got my Amazon affiliate links in the video description there for you. So I'm going to be using my glue remover to go and remove any excess adhesive that's sitting still in here. There's a little bit left. There's not a lot, but there's a little bit. I think some of this might just straight up be dirt. Definitely going to have to go over this with a Q-tip. And I've also got a brush here that I'm going to use just to get rid of this extra stuff. I don't have an affiliate link for this in the description yet. Let's grab a Q-tip, one final scrub. And there we have it. Let's get our new back. Now this is an aftermarket. It's not an original product. But you'll notice that there isn't any like labels or anything. The only thing that's on it, and you can't really see it, but the IMEI number is the only thing that's on the back of this. So it shouldn't matter. There's no logo to worry about. Okay, let's get this in place. Does that ever go in beautifully? Just gonna give it a little bit of a polish up here, make it look nice and clean. And that's all there is to this video, guys. We went from this really cracked up creature to looking like this. And isn't that nice, eh? Look how pristine that is. I got a little bit of dust on it, but yeah, it's looking immaculate. So guys, if you liked the video, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.